Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Island Beauty and I'm back with another video. In today's video we are doing an unboxing and a review of the Fenty Beauty Glossy Pose, and I'm gonna be giving my thoughts and swatching them and trying them on for you guys. So if you guys are interested, stick around and keep on watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Okay? Cool. Let's get into it. Alright, so before anybody says anything, yes, I did film 2 videos in one day. The previous video is on this eye look and this makeup. If you guys are interested, I would link it on top and you guys can check out that tutorial. Okay? Cool. You're trying to get 2 videos in one day. Okay, I know, I've been slacking and I'm back on it. Okay. So, the Glossy Pose, let me get that name right, Glossy Pose. The Glossy Pose comes with 5 lip gloss. And I'm a gloss girl, like I wear lipstick, but it's not something that I'll grab for. That would not be the first thing I'll be grabbing for. So I'm gonna get it out of the packaging. First things first, I love the packaging. I really do. It's so holiday vibes and it's so pretty, and it has Fenty Beauty written on it, and the back is just, you know, so you have a little case for your lip gloss. You know, that's cool, right? And I'm gonna open it. So these are the 4 lippies. This one is, I gotta read off the package. So I'll start from this side. This one is Pretty Please. It looks really pinkish and it looks like it has glitter in it, but I will be trying it on as I said, so we'll get into that. So this is Pretty Please. This one is Glossy. No, it's Posse. This one is Posse. So Pretty Please, Posse. And then this one is Confetti. I could see why they named that Confetti. And the other one is Hot Chocolate, and it is a kind of chocolate vibes kind of thing going on. And then this one is called Cheeky. So this one is Cheeky. So there's Pretty Please, Posse, Confetti, Hot Chocolate, and Cheeky. Alright. So I'm gonna swatch them right now. So I did clean off my list from any previous makeup I had, so we'll just be base. So I'm gonna test Pretty Please first. Just gonna apply it. You know what I realized? All these lip glosses have a scent, and it's a really nice scent. I don't know if you're not into scents, you may not like this, but there's a scent, y'all. So I'm telling you, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. But this one is really pretty. It does have the pinkish tone to it. Yeah, it does have that pinkish tone to it. Yep, I love it. It's really nice and it leaves you with a pink tone on your lips. So I don't know how it will look on darker lips. Actually, there is a video you guys can check out. It's by Kiki. I think her name is Miss Diva. Kiki, or is it Miss Diva? And she has a video on trying on darker lips. My lips is not dark, but it is more on the pinkish side. So if you guys want to have darker lips, you guys can check out her video. But on my lips, this is how it looks. I actually like it. So moving on to the other one. So I'm just gonna say, while wiping away, you do have a little bit of sparkles. I don't know if you guys can see it. A little bit of sparkles left on your lip. If you don't mind that, you know, that's cool. But yeah. And this one is Fosse. This looks similar to the original Gloss Bomb. I also have that, but I think it's darker. So it's not like the same thing, but it is darker. So this one is Fuzzy. And yeah, they all have like little glitters in it. So this one is more nudish. It's not really pink. It's more, it comes off as a nude on my lips. Yeah, it's more of a nude on my lips. So yeah. But yeah, this is Fuzzy. It actually looks just like a regular gloss to me, to be honest with you. It like has a little pinkish tint to it, but it's not as crazy as the other one. You could actually see the pink more, but this is more like nude and you can't really see it. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe this one off now. Okay, and then the other one I'm gonna swatch is Fenty Beauty Confetti. So this looks like it's gonna be clear. You can tell that this one is gonna be clear. Alright. So this one has, you can see the more sparkle in it. The other two you couldn't really see the sparkle but that much, but with this one it's more of a rainbow kind of sparkle with the yeah, because it does have like a, let me see if I can focus it for you guys. So it does have like a rainbow kind of look to it. So it does have a rainbow look to it. So when you change, you know, I'm turning, you guys can see like the little variations of colors. So that one is Confetti. Y'all gonna have glosses for days. Like there are 5 glosses in here, and I think it retails for $42 or $45. If I'm wrong, I'll actually leave it in the description for you guys if you guys want to know. I will leave it in the description. But yeah, I think it's like 42 or 45. So that's 5 glosses divided by 45. That's like $9 for a gloss, which in my opinion is not that bad. Okay. So the one I'm most excited to try, y'all, I think y'all know which one I'm excited to try. The hot chocolate. This one looks so pretty, y'all. So I'm gonna test it on. Let me make sure I got all the other gloss off my lip. I think I'm like messing up my makeup in the process, but oh well. But yeah, this one is hot chocolate and this one is so pretty, y'all. Let's see how it looks. So you can see this one leaves like a brown tint on my lips. You could see it. It's more like a brown tint going on. And it is called hot chocolate, so, you know. But yeah, you can see like the little brown tint that it has going on. And yeah. Okay, so this one is hot chocolate. The very last one that I'm gonna try is Cheeky. and it has more, it's more like a orange tone kind of lip gloss, but it reminds me of the other one. But I really do love the applicator on this. I'm not gonna lie, the applicators are really good. So this one, if I turn to this side, you guys can see, you can see the orange. Yeah, so it makes my lips look more pink because the bottom of my lips is lighter than the top. But yeah. Alright, y'all. So this one is Cheeky. Yeah, you can see the orange tone that is in it and everything. Okay. But yeah, this is Cheeky. So those are all the 5 choices I tried, and I like each and every last one of them. They're not too crazy for your skin tone, and you know sometimes those are those glosses with the tint and then it just doesn't look good on your complexion. And I am of a chocolate brown complexion, or you could say more caramel brown, whichever one, still brown. And they look good on me, and I think it will look good on anybody else who tries them. It looks like it's any color skin friendly, if that's such thing. But yeah, they're all good glosses, and I'm a gloss person. If you're not a gloss person, I won't recommend you get it, because you're gonna get it and you're not gonna use it. But I would be using this a lot, to be honest with you. Like when I'm going out, it's like gloss. It's very rare you will see me wear lipstick. But yeah, so this retails for, let me double check for you guys, because I don't want to give y'all wrong information and then, you know. So it retails for $42. So if you guys are interested, I recommend that you get it. It's a very good deal, and it's like 5 glosses for $42. So that's actually like $7, $8 per gloss. So yeah, I do recommend you guys get this, and my overall thoughts in it, it's really good. I wasn't expecting anything less, because I already have the original Gloss Bomb, and I believe it's like the same formula, so it's not that different. So if you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed my little review on the Glossy Posse Fenty Beauty collection, give the video a thumbs up and let me know if you're going to be picking this up, or it's a perfect Christmas gift too. So if you're going to get it as a Christmas gift for somebody, it's the perfect option. Okay, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Love y'all. And don't forget to check out my other videos, and the video on this makeup look will be right here. Okay, see you guys in my next one. Bye.